Hi, this is Caitlin with Tivoli Cloud. I'd like to show you how to use our Tivoli exporter for Unity. For starters, you'll want to go to our website and grab a copy of the exporter, which comes as a Unity package. You can download it from the link we've provided in this video. Then go to Unity, just grab the latest version if you can, and choose Assets, Import Package, Custom Package. Select the importer, give it a sec to unpack. Once it's in, you'll see up here Tivoli Cloud VR. This is the tool sets. Then go to your avatar. Let's see. In this case, I've got an avatar that I already brought in. And actually, before we do anything, let's make sure that the materials and textures are okay. See how these are set to unlit. This is the correct texture type you want. You want either unlit or standard. So if you're bringing in an avatar and it's using a custom shader, you'll need to go through and just switch the material types to unlit or texture. Now let's configure it. Choose the model in the project pane below. And this opens up the animation tools in the inspector. Click Rig. Make sure it's set to humanoid. Then click Configure. And what you're going to see here is these like little effector dots correspond to the bones in your avatar. If any of these are red, it means they're missing or incorrectly configured, and you'll want to drag the correct bones over into those slots. You can learn more about that from Unity's own documentation. Once you've got all that happy, go to Pose, Enforce T-Pose. Give that a sec to process, hit Apply. Then hit Done. By the way, this is an avatar I grabbed off of VRC mods. I'm going to assume that you know how to bring your avatar already into Unity. Great, now she's in here, she's configured and ready to go. We'll choose Tivoli Cloud VR, Export New Avatar. We've got a height reference here with a scale slider. This is going to correspond to how large your avatar is when it comes in for the first time, or how large it'll be set to when you hit the little equal sign on your keyboard to reset the scale. I'll call this character Anime Avatar here in the project name and hit Export. Avatar successfully exported. That's what we want. And you can see here this is the files that it output. We've got avatar.fst. We've got a bunch of textures and the FBX file. Now let's go back to Tivoli. Actually, what we'll do is we'll go to tivolicloud.com's website, and we provide hosting service for you, kind of like Dropbox or Google Drive. To access it, go to Apps, My Files. Then you've got a little file system here. Let's put it in a folder. We'll click Create Folder and call it Anime Girl. Hit Create Folder. Let's go in there and hit Upload. Then we'll just drag and drop those files into here. So I'll select them all, drag them in, press Upload. Remember, we want that avatar.fst file. That's kind of the root file that Tivoli will use to identify your avatar. So click avatar.fst, right-click it, and choose Copy URL to Clipboard. Then go to Tivoli, where I am right now, and click the Avatar button. Then click Update Avatar URL. Just replace the text that's there with what you copied. Hit Update, then just wait a beat, and here she is. Cool. So this file is being hosted on Tivoli servers for you. If you really like it and would like to bookmark it, you can open the Avatar app and click Add to Favorites. And then it'll be there for you in the future. Then it's as simple as just clicking between the two, or however many bookmarks you have to choose them. Hey, thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions or encounter any problems, please feel free to use our Discord server. We have a special help channel, which there's always someone there to help out with your problems. Thank you for watching. Bye.